This is the inside of a Ford Transit van. Looks pretty standard, eh? Now let's look in the back of another Ford Transit van and spot the difference. Wow, this is absolutely incredible. One of the best Ford Transits you'll ever see. Check that tailgate. Quite unusual. This is great, I'm loving this. One of the best Transits you'll ever see. Not only do these people have great taste in vans, they've got great taste in music as well, because a couple of, well, the tribute to Motown, you've got Marvin Gaye, Let's Get It On, and also on 12-inch, for all you record collectors out there, you've actually got The Temptations, Treat Her Like a Lady. Just doesn't get any better. This is turning into a music show. It's supposed to be about a Ford Transit van. Well, that was Stevie Wonder, and there's Jack Michelson. Help me out here, can you name the Motown acts featured on this van? This incredible van. Oh, that'd be great, just cruising down the highway with the tunes on. Absolute luxury as well. Yeah, I think you'll like this. Right, I think it's time to have a look about. There we go. The Goodrich BF tyres, of course. And surprised there's nothing on the back of the mud flap there. But there is a beautiful example of a side pipe. Now, I've had several Ford Transit vans, but I've never owned a side pipe. Oh, that looks like leather work in there. And check that steering wheel as well. Now, Street Vanner. If you'd like to know more about this van, you can check out nsva.co.uk, and they've got a Facebook page as well. But let's continue our look about. Who owns a van like this? Where do you start taking your Transit to the next level like this? The paintwork and detail is absolutely incredible. That's why you need to get along to the show and see it for yourself. Ford Transit is from 1978, features a 2-litre Pinto engine and of course the hatchback, which was quite unusual and rare for the time. This is far more luxurious than any Ford Transit van I ever owned. I'm guessing that the walls and the roof are all lined with insulation. I remember many years ago at Silverstone at the Grand Prix, I stayed in a Ford Transit van with no insulation, and it was like living in an oven. The Ford Transit, of course, originated way back in 1965 and right through till 2015. 50 years, 5 years of the Ford Transit, and that was before your Hiaces, your Vanios, your Vivanos and Traffics and whatever else have you. An icon in its day. Right, I'm going to let you have a look about yourself, and I'll catch up with you in just a moment. The blue Ford Transit van in the background, we first saw that in 2018 at the Classic Car Show here at the NEC. Right, I think we've got time for one more look around the outside, and we'll pop our head back indoors as well. From myself, Stevo, thanks for watching. I always appreciate your support, and I'll catch up with you next time from the Practical Classics Classic Car and Restoration Show here at the NEC.
Hello everybody, from myself, Gregory Bear. Hiya, toot toot, peep peep. Remember to name all the Motown acts that you can underneath, and give the Ford Transit Custom a nice big thumbs up. And we'll catch you next time. Toot toot, peep peep, see ya.
Roll it down,